It's pretty ting. Nice to meet you, mucho gusto.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos nuevamente a mi canal. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I will be installing this 360 lace frontal wig. I am not wearing any makeup in this video because I can't. I need to take a break for my skin. So I won't be applying any makeup, but I will be installing this wig and showing you guys exactly how I do that, my thoughts and opinions, and how I tried my best to finesse this lace that is too dark for my skin complexion. So today's sponsors is Atina Hair. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. We love a sponsor, baby. Before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click that red button down below. Turn on your bell notifications so you do get notified every time I post a new video, and also thumbs up the video if you like hair tutorials. So let's get into it. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. While I tell you guys about this hair, I will have a clip right here where you guys can see me preparing myself to apply the wig, and then we're going to hop on to me applying the wig and I will be talking. Cool. So today's hair is from Atina Hair. Atina Hair. Is that how you spell it? Yeah, Atina Hair. So the hair came in this box. And inside of the box we have obviously the unit. It's already on my head. We're gonna get to installing it in a second. And then they also sent me wig caps. I thought they only had 2 different colors, but apparently they have 3 because this one was absolutely too light for me. Like, this is damn near yellow, but it's perfect because I could just use my foundation, so it's fine. And I always use my foundation anyways, so that's cool. And then they also sent me an elastic band that I can sew onto the wig. That's pretty much what was in this box. I will have all the specs of the wig somewhere on the screen. So basically this wig is 24 inches. It's a waterway wig. It is a 360 lace frontal, so that means that there's lace around the whole perimeter of the wig, so I can put it up in a ponytail if I want, because in the back the lace is exactly as in the front. That's pretty much what 360 lace is, right? Don't mind my baby hairs. So it's a waterway wig. You guys already know I love me some curly hair, and I wanted this wig because it was 360, so I could put it up in a ponytail and all that jazz. But unfortunately the lace they sent me is absolutely too dark for my skin tone, which is why I have it in the side part, and also why I'm basically covering this whole side. My baby hairs are just they just ain't it, baby, okay? But they're not it because I'm not used to having that much baby hairs, because I'm not used to having to cover the whole lace. And the reason why I'm covering the whole lace is just because it's dark, honestly. But the application itself, I think it was really smooth. I like the lace. I like the lace except for the color. Y'all get me? I didn't install the wig in a 360 way, meaning if I put it up in a ponytail right now, you would definitely see my natural hair. I started the process so I could install it to have a high ponytail, because that was basically what I had planned for this video. But I need help to apply it in the back, and I can't do it with a mirror. Like, I was gonna try, but then I was like, am I really though? Am I really? So that's basically what happened. I just showed you guys the clip of me putting my wig cap on and also kind of just popping the wig on my head. But I've cut the little flaps on the wig. I only did it on one side. I'm just looking at it, looking at the hairline to see if I need to pluck it anymore or what I'm gonna do. I feel like I need to pluck this side a little bit more, but I'm not sure. I don't know yet. But this is a 360 lace front, so there's lace all around the perimeter of the wig. I have not glued it down in the back. I kind of started the process, like I put my wig cap on how it's supposed to go and stuff, but I don't really know how I'm gonna do it because I kind of need like help or a mirror or something, so I might just leave it as it is. I'm not sure, but for now I'm going to just glue down the front. As you guys can see, I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but this lace is absolutely too dark for me, so I don't really know how the end result is gonna be like, but I'm gonna do my best and try to make it work. So I'm going to glue this front section and hope for the best. I'm going to be using the Bolt Hold Active lace glue. I'm still thinking how I'm gonna do the back, but I really don't know because I'm pretty sure I'm going to, I can try to see how I could do it, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need help. But listen, I'm gonna cross that bridge when I get there. Okay. And also, don't mind my nose piercing. I lost a little ball that goes here, so I have to have it to the side so it doesn't get out. I need to go buy new ones because it's ghetto and I don't have any extra piercings. I always do, but for some reason I don't now. I just removed my headband, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut these baby hairs and lay them. I don't know how I want to do that yet, but when it comes to cutting baby hairs, I'm not the best because I never know like when they're too long or too short until I'm like laying them down, which is kind of irritating, but listen. Okay, so I know they are too long, but I prefer them to be too long first and then I'll fix them. You know what I mean? So now that they're shorter, I'm gonna go ahead back in and cut them more. So I just take a little bit of gel in the back of my hand and I put it here. And I'm gonna dip my brush, my edge brush into it. So I'm just gonna start here. As you can see, when I put the gel, they're like absolutely too freaking long. So I go back in and I cut them. Okay, after a lot of like work, as you guys can see, like with this lace being so dark, it's nearly impossible for me to make this blend. Unfortunately, I wanted to have like a half up half down, but with these baby hairs and this just not being laid as I want it, I'm just gonna have to take it down. This wig would have been so bomb if only the lace was transparent. Now I'm just gonna put some water onto the hair to kind of finish styling it. Okay, so I think the camera is actually picking it up. As you guys can see, this is extremely dark. Like here, I kind of finessed it with the baby hairs, but here I don't know what to do. I feel like maybe I want to cut that part. Let's see. Ooh. Like my hair is right there, my actual hair. So I'm kind of afraid that I'll cut my own hair. So basically this is the final install of the hair. Like this looks nice, but it's just the front part that I'm having issues with. Cause there's just so much baby hair I could actually lay down, you know what I mean? But overall, I really like the hair. Like literally the only issue that I have with this hair is probably that the fact that the lace is too dark for me. Obviously, if you are of a obviously if you are of a darker complexion, you'll be fine, girl. You'll be all right. This is just like if you are my complexion or lighter, this specific lace is absolutely too dark. But I'm pretty sure you can pick and choose on their website what type of lace you want, like what type of color of the lace. So yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something, took something from it. Just make sure that whenever you're gonna purchase a wig, it doesn't matter if it's from this brand or if it's from another brand, make sure to let them know that you want transparent lace. Transparent lace goes for everybody, unless you're a darker skin complexion than me, then you can go ahead and, you know, get this lace color. But if you are my skin complexion or lighter, I would probably recommend to just go with transparent lace, so you're sure that it's gonna fit your skin tone, you know. I will have all the links to this hair in the description box down below, so don't forget to check that out. Don't forget to check out Atina Hair. I will have all the direct links to this wig and all the links to the website down there. Okay, so don't forget to check that out. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with friends and family, turn on your bell notifications so you do get notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces!